Alright, what's going on, Link Pro Tackle fam? Hope you're having a wonderful day today. Out here in the shop, we got some brand new products that we're going to take a look at. Of course, if you didn't check out our latest video, the X10 Medusa is back in stock. If you're looking for a great utility all-around, do-it-all spinning rod, X10 Medusa is the way to go. Of course, we got a restock on some other rods from Megabass, including FMJ, Bandersnatch, Yamakagashi, so make sure to check all those out on the website, lakeprotackle.com. Of course, all the products in this video you should be able to find on lakeprotackle.com, except for the main one we're talking about in this video here. So let's go behind the counter here, check it out. All right, where is it? PFBX, Zillion, Tatulas, Coastals. There it is. Found it right here, guys. Check it out. We've got the brand new Daiwa Kage SV TW reel. We have been waiting a long time for this. We've got two different gear ratios. We've got the 7-speed and we got the 8-speed. Now, let's do a little unboxing here of the Kage reel. Of course, all the Kage reels are going to be in this nice little sleeve here to keep them protected in transport. Now, I guess a little backstory behind the Kage. When I first started at the shop here, we had the normal, just not first generation Kage, I guess, but we had the previous model Kage, which had the matte black and the cork and everything like that. The new Kage, they've got air sensor reel seat, which is also found on Steez rods, as well as Zillion rods. And what's really neat about the Kage is they're ultra affordable and packed with a lot of really cool technology that you're not finding in your typical Tatula or even sometimes Tatula Elite. You've got a lot of really cool stuff in the rods at an amazing price point. So we expect high things from this Kage reel. It's 150 size SVTW, so almost a little bit of an upgrade from the new 150 that just came out. With the Kage series, you can only get them physically in tackle shops like us. You can't order them online, but if you do want to purchase a Kage reel or a Kage rod, you can call the store and we can set something up that way. We just can't post them on our website. But enough about that. Let's just take a look at this not Steez reel. Let's take a look at this Kage reel. Still a little early, y'all, but you understand. This reel overall, very similar in terms of body size to something like the Tatula 100, it feels like. It's not very big. I mean, this is easily palmable by myself. It might feel a little bit taller to you than the SVTW that came out. It feels a little bit heavier as well. This one comes in at 7.1 ounces. Again, 2 gear ratios. Max drag is 11 pounds of drag. And I'll tell you right now, it is very smooth. I'm talking like ultra buttery smooth drag. As I'm holding the spool here, it is super silky smooth. Super smooth. Another really cool aspect on this, of course, is the SV concept, which is going to be in the spool. T-wing system. It's got the CRBB bearings in it. It's got 5 bearings and then 2 CRBBs, which should increase casting distance. Really cool thing too, 8-speed reel. It's going to bring in 34 inches per turn for the 8-speed. And for the 7-speed, you're looking at 29.8, basically 30 inches per turn. So both very high gear ratios there. Overall, this reel feels very centered. It feels like it is just right there, ready to go. Very similar to, I guess, in comparison to another brand, what feels like a Bantam, essentially, if that makes sense. That core solid, it feels like it's there and it feels solid, which is really good. I enjoy that. Of course, some of the extra aesthetics on this reel are going to be the highlights on the zero adjust knob as well as the nut here. So matching the new Kage rods, you're going to be getting the red on red as well as the cork. And I really like how they have the cork knobs on here, just like they did on the spinning. Now, other than that, I mean, this reel itself, I can't tell you more about it until I actually get on the water with it. But overall, I mean, this thing is butter smooth. It feels like almost like Steez, not quite Steez, because Steez is, to me, it feels like you're pushing air, like you're not really pushing against anything. This one feels a little more like Zillion, where you've got a little bit of substance there, but it is ultra smooth. So it feels like you're pushing through butter. Really neat reel overall, but I can't wait to do some testing with it and let you know how it goes. Of course, make sure to check out the Kage rods as well as the Kage reel. If you're interested, make sure to call the store and we can get you set up. Of course, the phone number is 940-668-2573. So bunch of really cool stuff there. Overall, really neat reel. Can't wait to do more with this one right here, as well as pair it up on a Kage rod. So I will say one last thing before I go. It feels like it can do both braid and fluoro, being a 150 size. You're gonna be able to pack a whole thing of braid on there, as well as a really wide range of techniques with fluorocarbon or even monofilament if you wanna go that route. So really neat stuff. It looks like they also decreased the amount of travel in the line guide there, so it feels like you're probably going to get some extra casting distance out of that as well. Really cool stuff coming out from Daiwa. Of course, we've got Steve's travel rods coming in very soon. I don't have a direct ETA right now, but very soon, y'all. Very excited about those Steve's travel rods. And I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing of the new Daiwa Kage SV TW 150. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video here at Lake Pro Tackle. Thanks for watching, guys.